Have you been frustrated trying to record a Zoom meeting? Well, don't worry, today we'll be showing you exactly how to record your Zoom meeting. Hey guys, it's Joel here with Make Tech Easier. Zoom is becoming one of the most popular tools to host video conferences and webinars. As a meeting host, you can easily record Zoom sessions, either on your PC or in the Zoom Cloud Meetings app for Android and iOS. As soon as you start a scheduled meeting on Zoom, the participants will be able to join on their devices using a meeting ID and password. They will also receive a security warning about the call being recorded, to which they must agree. Once the session starts, Zoom lets you record a meeting in different layouts. As an active speaker, in gallery view, and via a shared screen. If hosting on a laptop or desktop PC, you can easily find a prominently displayed Record on this computer button to locally store the meeting files. For Android and iPhone users, Zoom offers various tiered plans for cloud storage, offering 1 GB per pro user. Presently, it is not possible to record locally on your phone. The recording session goes live the moment you click the record button. It will record only audio if you don't want to include video footage. There are many activities you can record in a Zoom meeting. These include audio and video discussions over a whiteboard, live minutes of a shared screen, contents from a second camera, and files transferred using Google Drive, OneBox, Box and Dropbox. Zoom also allows you to record your iPhone or iPad screen using a shared plugin. If you don't want some portions of the meeting in the final recording file, Zoom allows you to selectively pause and resume the activity. All the recorded files will be converted to .mp4 format after you end the meeting. Saving the meeting recordings. After the host ends the meeting on their PC, the Zoom session will be converted for viewing later. As a host, you can always access the recorded files of past sessions on the Zoom dashboard. The recorded Zoom files are saved locally on your PC in a relevant folder. It's quite easy and hassle-free to video conference with Zoom and save your meeting recordings for future reference. Have you recently used Zoom to collaborate remotely with other coworkers? Don't forget to check out some of the best Zoom features you should be using. Well, that's it from me. As always, if you love tech as much as we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and you'll be notified by our latest and greatest tech-savvy videos. See you next time.